Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. Congress set to declare its first list of candidates. List to contain names of 16 sitting MLAs. Santa Cruz, Talegaon, Sakli and Kuchere may not figure in the list. Disqualification petition against SGF dismissed. Revised petition filed by Mickey against Churchill and Alex Reginald disallowed for procedural lapses. Personnel Department transfers 18 police inspectors, 9 DYSP and 8 other officials. Election Commission tells candidates not to carry out rally while filing candidature. BBSM decides to form All Goa Parents Teachers Association by 5th February. And Premier League soccer could be good and bad for Indian football. Let us wait and watch, says Srinivas Tempo. Alvito Dicunia cautions youngsters. Now the news in detail. Congress is all set to declare first list of candidates by Saturday. The first list will contain 16 names of sitting MLAs. Highly placed sources say that constituencies like Santa Cruz, Talegaon, Sakli and Kuchere may not find place in this list. Political activities in the state capital intensified late evening on Friday as political circle went abuzz with news that the Congress is all set to declare its first list of candidates. Sources from Delhi said following things. First list to contain 16 names. 16 names of sitting MLAs. 4 sitting MLAs on hold. Santa Cruz, Talegaon, Sakeli, Kuchere under cloud. Congress leaders say that Santa Cruz and Talegaon will be announced later due to the tussle between Babush and Mummy. They say that Delhi has received some adverse reports about Pratap Gaus and Sham Satadekar in a survey conducted by the party. The party has decided to declare second list next week. The second list will have all the constituencies, including the controversial ones. The list will also depend upon seat sharing and alliance with the NCP. All the sitting MLAs of the Congress have already started campaigning in their own constituencies. But official state-level campaign is yet to begin. Rest of the aspirants have silently started their work hoping for a positive response from the High Command. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. The disqualification petition filed by former NCP Banaule MLA Mickey Pacheco against Churchill and Alex Reginald Lawrence have been dismissed. The Speaker on Friday dismissed a petition which was pending disposal for last 2 years. Speaker also disallowed a revised petition filed by Mickey in 2011 for procedural lapses.
The Speaker of Goa Assembly, Pratap Singh Rane, on Friday dismissed the petitions filed by Mickey Pacheco. He had filed a petition with the Speaker claiming that the merger of SGF with Congress was illegal. The Speaker dismissed it, stating that as per the 10th schedule, 2/3 of legislative members of the party are free to form any party. The petition has been dismissed after hearing arguments for 2 long years.
There were arguments and counter-arguments, so I wanted to hear from them and I would like to give this decision.
So finally it is dismissed?
Yes. And there was another petition in 2011 which did not fit within the rules of the assembly.
The other petition filed by Mickey has also been disallowed as it suffered procedural lapses.
Because the merger was proper. We clearly said if it is 2/3, then the merger is proper. In our case, it was 100%. No question of 2/3. The petitioner himself didn't know. First he filed the disqualification petition, then he put a thing for withdrawal, then he filed a petition again. So it is dismissed, there is no merit at all.
Our reporter in Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ravindra Dravi.
Personnel Department has issued transfer orders of 18 police inspectors, 9 DYSP and 8 other officials. Chief Electoral Officer has informed that no rallies would be allowed when candidates file their nominations. Not more than 5 persons will be allowed with the candidate. Following is the list of DYSPs transferred by Personnel Department. DYSP Nilu Rao Desai transferred from SO to DGP to SDPO MAPSA 1. DYSP Bosue De Silva transferred to SDPO MAPSA 2. DYSP Dinraj R. Govekar transferred from Police Headquarters to SDPO Ponda. DYSP Lawrence D'Souza transferred to SDPO Vasco. DYSP G.V. Mapne transferred to SDPO Kepe. DYSP Umesh Kaunkar to Police Headquarters. DYSP Deo Banaulikar transferred as DYSP of Konkan Railway. DYSP P. Elmapari transferred to Police Control Room Panji. DYSP Naresh Mamal transferred to SO to DGP Goa. Besides this, 18 PIs have been transferred. Meanwhile, Chief Electoral Officer has said that not more than 5 persons can accompany prospective candidates during filing nomination forms. If they hold rally during filing nomination forms, then the cost would be counted in election expenditure.
पयलीं कितें करतात नॉमिनेशनाच्या वेळार भरपूर लोकांक घेवन येताले समर्थक ह्या व्याख्ये खाली जवळ जवळ 250-300 लोकांची फौज फाटो घेवन येताले दॅट हॅज बीन बॅन सो while going to the returning officer.
Election Commission is also planning to dispose the complaint against Dayanand Narvekar by 5th of February. Sources say that there would not be any action against Narvekar. Chief Electoral Officer has received some 210 anonymous complaints till date, which they have disposed.
Maximum complaints आसा न्ही तातूंत कांय तरी तथ्य आसता पूण एविडन्सीस कांय ना आनी मनीस एनॉनिमस कारण खंयचोच मनीस आयडेंटिफाय जाना जितल्यो कंप्लेंट्स जाल्यार आज पर्यंत मॅक्झिमम मनीस फक्त एक्सेप्ट व्हेरी फ्यू पॉलिटिकल पर्सन्स ऑर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज rest of the complaints are all anonymous.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.